Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from foreclosure with the Home Depot detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing your financial situation. Review your income, expenses, and any other debts. Create a budget to determine how much you can allocate for housing. Research available resources and programs for foreclosure recovery. Contact local housing counseling agencies for support and advice. Explore loan modification options with your lender to lower monthly payments. Consider a short sale if staying in your home isn't feasible. Gather necessary documents like income statements and tax returns for your lender. Check your credit report for accuracy and address any discrepancies. Develop a plan for rebuilding your credit once your foreclosure is finalized. Visit the Home Depot website for resources on home improvement and renovation. Look for community workshops that may help you enhance your home maintenance skills. Budget for home repairs to maintain any new property you may acquire. Explore financing options available through the Home Depot, such as credit programs. Ensure your new living situation meets your budget and lifestyle needs. Consult with real estate agents knowledgeable in foreclosure recovery. Consider renting for a period to stabilize your finances. Educate yourself on the home buying process if you're looking to purchase another home. Stay informed about local housing markets to make educated decisions. Network with individuals who have successfully recovered from foreclosure for insights. Remain patient. Recovery takes time and effort to rebuild stability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.